In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Onepay at Walmart. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So now, how do you get Onepay wallet? You can download the One app from the App Store or Google Play Store, provide your phone number, name and email, and select Onepay. If you already have the One app, you can tap the QR code scanner on the home tab or navigate to the Onepay tab. So now if you are wondering how you can add a card, to add a card from walmart.com, just navigate to your Walmart wallet or checkout screen, select Onepay as your payment method, and complete the prompts to enter your card information. To add a card from one app, open your app, navigate to the Onepay tab, tap the plus icon on the top right corner, and enter your card information. You earn 1 point for every $10 you spend on Walmart and redeem points as cashback in a Onepay cash account. As always, thank you for watching.